G'day, Gary from Travel Outback Australia here again. Well, what are we looking at today? Well, today we've got some Saber Offroad recovery gear. We've upgraded our gear a little bit this time because we're doing something a little bit differently. This time when we cross the Simpson Desert next month, we'll be in a group. This is pretty unusual for Amanda and I because normally it's just us and our trusty Prado. But this time round, we're going to be in a bit of a convoy. So I approached Saber Offroad to get some new gear, and this is what I came back with. I went out and bought a few little new additions to the kit. So apart from these lovely little bags that these things come into, what did I get? Well, first thing out of the bag is a new Easy Glide recovery ring. This is rated at 12,500 kilos and it's one of Saber Offroad's newest little pieces of kit. I've never used one of these before, so I do look forward to using it when we get out in the field. The next thing is this 14,700 kilo soft shackle. That'll help connect up that ring to the whole winching setup. So again, looking forward to that. In this bag, we've got a few other little goodies. Opening the bag. Getting that zip open. We've got a couple of 10,000 kilo soft shackles. And for the pièce de resistance, we've got this 8,200 kilo kinetic rope. Again, I've not used one of these before, having always relied on my trusty snatch strap. So this time round, if I'm going to need it, I'm going to need it with 7 cars in our convoy. So I'm really looking forward to trying out some of this gear when we get out there. Thanks a lot, and we'll catch you next time.